physically look at the part inside and like pick two lines and see if it's accurate or not. Like you can measure from like one point here. So you can actually like see the parts. If we go this way, you'll see the gear. And then, for example, you can pick an edge here or here and then get it up to a micron. Now once it stops, you put it back. This one, it's like 60, 50, 60. It means it's rock hard. And then when you remove it, you'll see it just makes like a very little indentation. And that's what it looks like. Okay, see you later.
Hi everyone, today I'm here with Kenny. We're in Hong Kong CYC R&D department. Kenny did a lot of work on the motherboard of the rear lights. It's pretty much the brain of the electric harness. You guys can take a closer look. I'm sure you guys probably don't know about this, but there's an additional slot for an Apple AirTag under the rear light for additional from the Catalina battery pack. This one we don't advertise it. Kenny, if you want to walk us through a little bit of what's the process when you guys design this motherboard. Tell us a little bit of what do you do here in CYC.
This is the MCU to control the LED flashing. This is a Bluetooth module control, and you can set the any flashing mode IC to apply the voltage for the circuit operation.
So we just took a train from Hong Kong to mainland China. We're on our way to Guangdong. We're gonna visit the frame factory, show you guys the progress. I'll see you guys soon.
That smoking is not allowed anywhere on the train, including the toilets and passage. Thank you for your cooperation.
So Rikus, are you already booked the train?
I'm asking Sam now.
Okay.
Yeah, I will let you know.
Okay.
Where's Sam?
On his way to San Diego.
The booth there, because this year is for first
year?
Yeah, first time. Yeah, so we just look and check how the CES the exhibition.
So something we want to show is the new updated cable sleeve. If you guys can see, it does have some zipper to protect it, more sleek design instead of less wires coming out around. All right, so here it's some of the frames that are already painted. So this one, they don't have the clear yet, so that's why we cannot still put it on the mount, but these are the bronzes. I mean, look at those. Back there we have the Black Panteras. This looks beautiful. You can see here the spoilers and how they align all the decals so they all fit in the same location, very precise. Hello everyone, we're live from the factory to provide you all with a production update on the Ristretto 512 first edition. As you guys can see, we've made some progress and I'm pleased to report that all Bronzos and Black Pantera frames are now fully painted. However, we encountered a few delays with some of the frames, along with some of necessary adjustments identified during this production process. We understand your eagerness, and after confirming all details, all bikes will be ready around mid-March, which means that you can expect their arrival at your doorstep around April. To ensure the highest quality, our plan is to return end of February. This visit will enable our procurement managers and CYC personnel to closely supervise the installation of all electrical components, guaranteeing that each bike delivered meets our quality criteria. Thank you for your patience and support. We're committed to deliver a top-notch product that you will be proud to own.